In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes, so let's jump straight into it. The first step we need to do is just to create our story, so just hit any photo we want or do some other stuff, and then just click on edit to our story, not send to someone, but add to our story. So this is the first step we need to do. After that, we need to open our profile. How can we do this? In the left top corner, just hit the story icon to open something like this. So you will open your profile page. This is the first step we need to do. Then we need to scroll down to My Stories right up here, and then just click on three dots to open this menu. And sometimes there is the option like to make the profile public or do some other stuff. As you can see, I don't have it, but if you have, you can just click on it here. If you don't have it, make sure that you have the latest version, and after that follow the next step. Open the same page and then just scroll down right up here to find the public profile area right up here. So we need to click on this icon, create public profile. After that, we need to click on continue and get started right up here and create. So after that, our profile will be like created. So now we can click on my public profile to make it more beautiful, to make it look like more natural. As you can see, we don't have any avatar, we don't have any description here. So we need to click on edit profile. And after that, we need to add some bio. So for example, we can add something right up here. We can write something like creating a video, and then just add some icon, some profile photo. I won't do this, but you can do. We can also add like location here, country, town, city, and show subscribers count. If you want, you can just click on it. So now we can click on preview profile and watch how our profile looks like right up here on the profile page. So after that, it looks like this. So everything is ready now, and we can do some other stuff. If you want to deactivate your account, you can just click on more in the right up corner right up here to open this page, and then we can just delete it to like create it like closed. So we can just click on delete public profile and delete it once more. So sometimes it could be really helpful. I decided to show you how you can do this. So basically that's all for this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my tutorials. I wish you guys a very, very good day. So goodbye. I love you all. If this video helped you a lot, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and watch my tutorials once more. Goodbye.